Good morning students. Now today we will see our 10th lesson, measurement of capacity. Capacity means what? To do any kind of work. Capacity हम बोलते हैं कि हम ऐसा बोलते हैं ना कभी कभी मेरी आज इतनी कैपेसिटी है, मैं इससे ज़्यादा नहीं खाना खा सकता, है ना। तो हम बोलते हैं उसको मेजरमेंट ऑफ कैपेसिटी। तो स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट ऑफ कैपेसिटी इज लीटर. Liter that we denote with the small l. Okay, smaller unit of capacity is milliliter. Milliliter we write with small ml. Milliliter, that is the short form. See this m and this l. Milliliter. Okay, so 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So you have to learn this formula every time. 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. You have to remember this, and we write like this in short form. 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So milliliter, every time we are not writing like this milliliter, the full spelling, but short form we are writing ml. So 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay, now see your exercise 10a, page number 125. On this page number 125, what is given? First question is given. Cross the containers which have capacity of less than a liter. A liter means what? 1 liter. Exercise 10a. Okay, so first picture is that is a small can of water, or we can say small can of oil. So that is very small, that cannot have the capacity of 1 liter. So you just cross on that can first. So I am writing here only number 1. You write down here. See, space is there already. You just cross this first picture, cross here. Okay, now see second picture. Second picture is what? That one talcum powder, or you can say shampoo bottle is there. So that is very small, that is not 1 liter. 1 liter is very big in size. So you cross here. That some bottles are maybe of half liter, that is half liter. That is 1 liter means very big in size. So you cross this. Then third picture, that is one bottle, you can say one bucket, very big size bucket is given. So it is having capacity more than 1 liter water we are every day using for bathing purpose. हम लोग नहाते हैं तो पूरा बकेट भर के पानी लेते हैं ना, तो 1 लीटर के आगे इसकी कैपेसिटी है, तो यहाँ पर क्रॉस करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो यू लीव दिस बकेट. नाउ फोर्थ पिक्चर इज no need to write anything there. Fourth picture is one glass. One glass, that is not 1 liter. Okay, so we have to cross this fourth picture, one glass. This, where is one pot in our kitchen? Pots, various types of pots are there. So this pot, that is very big in size, so it can contain, or it is having capacity to contain this 1 liter water. Okay, so no need to do here anything. And this is one tea maker pot. इसमें हम लोग चाय बनाते हैं, तो ये भी 1 लीटर कैपेसिटी इसकी है. अगर हमने हमारी जो बिस्लरी की बोतल रहती है ना, तो बिस्लरी की बोतल दैट इज़ परफेक्ट 1 लीटर बोतल. तो 1 लीटर की बोतल अगर हम लोग इसमें डालेंगे तो पूरी बैठ जाएगी. इसमें बैठेगी, इसमें बैठेगी और इसमें बैठ जाएगी. तो इसलिए हमको यहाँ पर कुछ भी नहीं करना है, क्रॉस नहीं करना है. ओके, नाउ सी बी क्वेश्चन. How many 500 ml mugs are needed to fill a 2 liter bottle? 2 liter bottle, suppose हमारी वाटर बॉटल है हम लोग जो स्कूल में लेकर आते हैं, है ना। तो 500 2 लीटर बॉटल, सी हियर 1 लीटर बॉटल इक्वल टू हाउ मच, 1000 मिलीलीटर. 2 liter equal to how much, 2000 milliliter. So suppose 500 ml mugs are needed to fill a 2 liter bottle. 500 multiplied by 4, how much? See, suppose 500 multiplied by 4, 4 multiplied by 0, 0, 4 multiplied by 0, 0, 4 5s are 20. How much it is? 2000. And what is given here? 2 liter. 2 liter equal to how much? 2000 milliliter. So our answer is 2000. Okay. So what is our answer? 4 mugs. Suppose 4 mugs of 500 milliliter we pour in that bottle, that will become 2 liter bottle. So you have to write their answer 4 mugs. Okay, so in this way you have to complete this exercise 10A. Now see, some pictures are given here. So the capacity of the glass is less than the bottle. See, this size of this glass and this bottle is different from each other. So capacity of this glass, naturally that is very less than this bottle. This bottle is very big in size, but this glass is very small in size. So the quantity of liquid that can hold the container, that is called its capacity. जितना पानी इस ग्लास में बैठेगा, that is the capacity of that glass or capacity of that bottle. Okay, now see, the capacity of the jug is less than the bucket. See, this jug is very small in size, so very little amount, very little quantity of water will be in this jug. But this bucket is very large in size, so naturally this bucket, that capacity of this bucket is very large. That capacity of this jug is less than the bucket. Okay, so now see here, इसमें ज़्यादा पानी बैठेगा, है ना, इससे ज़्यादा पानी इसमें बैठेगा. Now see, the capacity of both the bottles is the same. देखो यहाँ पर 2 equal bottles दिखाए हैं, दोनों में एक जैसा जितना ही पानी, उसकी कैपेसिटी दोनों की सेम है. Okay, now see here, this bottle, okay, just we have seen that this bucket that is having very large capacity. Here also 1 liter bottle. This capacity of this bucket is 15 liter. इस bucket में 15 लीटर तक पानी बैठ सकता है, और इस बॉटल में 1 लीटर पानी. सपोज ये हमारी बिस्लरी की बॉटल है, बिस्लरी की बॉटल में 1 लीटर पानी आराम से बैठ सकता है. अभी देखो, ये छोटा स्पून दिखाई दे रहा है, ये स्पून, इसमें 5 ml मेडिसिन, डॉक्टर बोलते हैं ना कि हमको प्रिस्क्रिप्शन लिख के देते हैं, 5 ml सुबह शाम रात 3 टाइम ये दवाई लिक्विड मेडिसिन आपको लेना है. तो हम क्या करते हैं, फिर एक स्पून भर के दवाई पी लेते हैं, है ना. तो उसकी कैपेसिटी कितनी है स्पून की, सिर्फ 5 ml. देन द कैपेसिटी ऑफ स्मॉल बाउल इज अबाउट 200 ml. इसमें कितना पानी बैठेगा, 200 मिलीलीटर पानी इसमें बैठेगा. देखो, अभी हमारे घर में दूध वाले भैया आते हैं, अंकल आते हैं दूध लेकर सुबह सुबह. तो दूध वालों के पास ये ऐसे ये मेजरिंग सिलेंडर्स रहते हैं, ये मेजरिंग कंटेनर्स रहते हैं. सबसे छोटा वाला, या फिर कोई ऐसे छोटा सा किराना दुकान होता है जिसमें हम लोग छोटा सामान लेते. तो सपोज किसी को खुला तेल चाहिए खाने के लिए, हम लोग तो पैक लेकर आते हैं, लेकिन कोई कोई लोगों को सिर्फ ये 50 ml चाहिए रहता है, 100 ml चाहिए रहता है. तो वो तेल भी, ऑयल भी, खाने का जो ऑयल रहता है उसको भी काउंट करने के लिए स्मॉल स्मॉल कंटेनर्स रहते हैं. सपोज किसी को 50 ml चाहिए तो ये छोटा सा कंटेनर है, किसी को 100 ml चाहिए तो ये कंटेनर यूज़ करेंगे, किसी को 200 ml चाहिए तो ये वाला कंटेनर यूज़ करेंगे, किसी को 500 ml चाहिए. 500 ml मीन्स हाफ लीटर, ये हमने याद रखना है। एंड 1 लीटर मीन्स 1000 मिलीलीटर। सो ये ऐसे डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ ये कंटेनर्स, जिससे हम लोग मिल्क भी काउंट कर सकते हैं, जिससे हम लोग ऑयल भी काउंट कर सकते हैं। जिसको जितना मिल्क चाहिए, जिसको जितना ऑयल चाहिए, ये हम लोग इस कंटेनर से काउंट कर सकते हैं। ओके, सो नाउ सी योर पेज नंबर 127. Now see what is given. This exercise 10B you have to complete in your notebook. So first example is, how many 250 ml cups are needed to half fill a 2-liter bottle? Okay, you just see what is given in the question. So first you try to understand what is the meaning of 2-liter bottle. See, 2 liter equal to how much? 2000 milliliter. Milliliter we are writing in short form. Okay, so what is the question here? How many 250 ml cups are needed? Suppose एक कप है ऐसा, that is having capacity 250 ml. तो ऐसे कितने कप्स चाहिए कि हाउ मेनी 250 ml कप्स आर नीडेड टू हाफ फिल अ 2 लीटर बॉटल. टू हाफ फिल, 2 लीटर के हाफ कितना होगा? यहाँ पे 2 लीटर के हाफ कितना होगा? 1 लीटर है ना. 2 लीटर के हाफ 1 लीटर. तो क्वेश्चन क्या है? हाउ मेनी 250 ml cups are needed to half fill a 2 liter bottle. 2 लीटर बॉटल पूरी तरह से भरनी नहीं है, 2 लीटर की बॉटल हाफ भरनी है. 2 के हाफ क्या है? 1 लीटर. अभी देखो 1 लीटर मीन्स व्हाट? हाउ मच? 1000 मिलीलीटर. अभी क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है कि ऐसे कितने कप्स लगेंगे तब जाके ये 1000 मिलीलीटर होगा. 1000 मीन्स 1 लीटर होगा. तो 250, सपोज देखो अभी यहाँ पर 250 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4, 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0, 0, 4 5 जा 20. व्हाट इज द कैरी? 2, 4 2 जा 8, 8 प्लस 2 10. व्हाट इज द आंसर? 1000. दैट ओनली वी वांट. सो 1000 यहाँ पर आ गया है. तो ऐसे 250 ml के कप्स अगर हमने उसको 4 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो हमें कितना आंसर मिला? 1000 आंसर मिला. तो हमारा आंसर क्या है फिर? 4. ओके, सो व्हाट वी हैव टू राइट हियर? सो you can draw this. If you want to draw this cup, you can draw. You write down everything as it is. So 4 cups are needed. So like this you will complete in your notebook. Now see second example. A 1 liter bottle is quarter full. How many milliliters are there in the bottle? 1 liter bottle. 1 liter equal to how much? 1000 milliliter. 1 liter bottle is quarter full. 1 liter, you just imagine one Bisleri bottle. That is quarter full. Quarter means what? 1/4 part of that container. Suppose our Bisleri bottle is only quarter full. See, suppose this is our Bisleri bottle. This is Bisleri bottle. So this Bisleri bottle is only quarter full. Suppose this much portion that is filled. How many milliliters are there in the bottle? See, 1000, 1 liter equal to how much? 1000 milliliter. So if we divide this 1000 by 4. Why 4? Because quarter, meaning of quarter is 1/4. You just remember, every time meaning of quarter is 1/4. So 1000 divided by 4. 4 2s are how much? 8. 4 2s are 8. So 0 minus 8 not possible. So write down here 10. 10 minus 8 2. 1 minus 1 0. So bring this 0 downside. How much it is? 20. In the table of 4, 20 number is there? Yes. 4 5s are 20. So you write down 0 minus 0 0. 2 minus 2 0. Bring this 0 downside, this 0. 0 means you have to write here 0. So what is the answer? 250. So what we have to write here? The last statement. So 250 milliliters are there in the bottle. So in this way you complete this second example in your notebook. Now see third example. A jug holds 350 ml and another jug holds 650 ml. दो जग्स लिए है, साथ में रखे. एक फर्स्ट जग में क्या किया? 350 ml वाटर डाला है और दूसरे जग में कितना डाला है? 650 ml वाटर डाला है. How many total liters do the jugs hold? So total means what we have to do here? We have to do here addition. So 650. Each number you write in each separate box. 650 plus how much? 350. 350 ml. Now add this. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10. What is the carry? 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. What is our answer? 1000 milliliter. So what is the question? How many total liters do the jugs hold? 1000 milliliter means how many liters? 1 liter. So what we have to write here? So 1 liter the jugs can hold. In this way you complete this example in your notebook. Now see fourth example. How many times would you need to use a 100 ml container to fill a 1 liter container? See, container, suppose we take a Bisleri bottle. Okay, so we have to fill that Bisleri bottle 1 liter. So that already that is having 1 liter capacity. So how many times would you need to use a 100 ml? 100 ml, suppose very small 100 ml container is there. So what is the question? How many times? So we have to make, see, 1 liter means how much? 1000 milliliter. So we have to fill up to this 1000 milliliter. Suppose we multiply this 100 by 10. 0 multiplied by 0, 0. 0 multiplied by 0, 0. 0 multiplied by 1, 0. This compulsory 0. We have to write here. 1 multiplied by 0, 0. 1 multiplied by 0, 0. 1 multiplied by 1, 1. Add this 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. This 1. Add this. What is our answer? 1000. So we multiply this 100 by 10. So we are getting the answer 1000. So that answer we want 1000 milliliter. So what we will write here? The last statement. So how many times we need 10 times to fill the container. Okay, so you write down everything as it is in your notebook. Now see fifth example. A 1 liter bottle is half full. 1 liter bottle, that is our Bisleri bottle, that is half full. How many milliliters are there in the bottle? Half means what? See, 1 liter equal to how much? 1000 milliliter. But that one bottle, that is only half filled. Half of this 1000 divided by 2. Half means how much? Half means 1 by 2. Okay, so if we divide this 1000 because 1 liter equal to how much? 1000. So we are dividing it by 2. In the table of 2, 10 is there. Yes. How many is that? 5 are. 2 5s are 10. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. This 0 you write down here. Here you write down 0. Here also write down 0. Bring this 0 downside and you write down here 0. So what is our answer? 500. So half means half of 1000 means what? 500. So your last statement you write down like this. So 500 milliliters are there in the bottle. So complete this fifth example in your notebook. Now see exercise 10C. Add. In this question we have to add all these examples. First example, this 10C exercise you have to write down in your notebook because in your textbook there is no space. So you write down chapter's name, exercise 10C, and you write down here add. First question, add. First question is 30 ml plus 90 ml. So in each separate box you write down like this. 0 plus 0, 0. 9 plus 3, 12. So what is our answer? 120 ml. Whatever given here, liter or milliliter, we have to write here. Now see second example. 450 ml plus 250 ml. So you write down like this. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10. What is the carry? 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7 milliliter. So what is our answer? 700 milliliter. Now see third example. 27 liter plus 78 liter. 8 plus 7. How much? 15. What is the carry? 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 7, 10. So write down here liter. 105 liter is our answer. Now see fourth question. 126 liter plus 478 liter. 8 plus 6, how much? 14. What is the carry? 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 7, 10. What is the carry? 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 4, 6 liter. 604 liter is our answer. Now see fifth example. 405 milliliter plus 278 milliliter. 8 plus 5, 13. What is the carry? 1. 7 plus 1, 8. 4 plus 2, 6 milliliter. 683 milliliter is our answer. Sixth example, 370 liter plus 195 liter. 5 plus 0, 5. 9 plus 7, 16. What is the carry? 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. What is our answer? 565 liters. So in this way you complete in your notebook. Now see next question, subtract. So in these all examples we have to subtract. So this question also you have to complete in your notebook. So first example is 72 milliliter minus 29 milliliter. So in this way you have to write each number in each separate box. 2 minus 9. Is it possible? No. So what we have to do? We have to write here 12. 12 minus 9, 3. 7 minus 1, 6. 6 minus 2, 4. 43, what is given here? Milliliter. 43 milliliter is our answer. Now see second example. 179 liter minus 86 liter. So you write down like this. 9 minus 6, how much? 3. 7 minus 8. Is it possible? No. So what we have to do? We have to write here 17. 17 minus 8, how much? 9. 1 minus 1, 0. So what is our answer? 93 liter. Okay. Now see third example. 470 liter minus 285 liter. 0 minus 5. Is it possible? No. So what we have to do? Write down here 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 7 minus 1, 6. 6 minus 8. Is it possible? No. So what we have to do? We have to take 1 from this 4 and write down here 16. 16 minus 8, 8. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. So what is given here? Liter. So 185 liter is our answer. Now see fourth example. 785 milliliter minus 351 milliliter. 5 minus 1, 4. 8 minus 5, 3. 7 minus 3, 4. So what is our answer? 434 milliliter. Now see fifth example. 819 liter minus 406 liter. 9 minus 6, 3. 1 minus 0, 1. 8 minus 4, 4. What is here? Liter. What is our answer? 413 liter. Now see sixth example. 395 milliliter minus 274 milliliter. 5 minus 4, 1. 9 minus 7, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. What is here? Milliliter. Okay. So in this way, all these 6 examples you have to complete in your notebook. Now see your page number 128, value based question. One question is given there. Raghav is a milk seller. Milk seller means what? दूध वाले भैया. राघव नाम का एक दूध वाले भैया है. ही सेल्स मिल्क डोर टू डोर. वो हमेशा अलग अलग घरों में जाकर दूध बेचने का काम करते हैं. ही हैज़ अ मेजरिंग जग ऑफ कैपेसिटी 250 मिलीलीटर. उनके पास कितना मिलीलीटर का जग है? 250 मिलीलीटर का जग है जिससे वो मिल्क मेजर करते हैं. ही टेक्स आउट मिल्क फ्रॉम अ बिग कंटेनर यूजिंग द मेजरिंग जग. एक बड़े से मिल्क कंटेनर से वो मेजरिंग जग से दूध निकालते हैं. वन डे सुमित बॉट 1 लीटर ऑफ मिल्क फ्रॉम राघव. सुमित नाम का एक लड़का है जिसने राघव से 1 लीटर मिल्क लेकर आया है घर में. राघव गेव ओनली 3 जग्स ऑफ मिल्क टू सुमित एंड वेंट अवे. लेकिन सुमित जब उसके पास दूध लेने के लिए गया था तो राघव ने सिर्फ 3 टाइम्स वो जग्स उसमें वो कंटेनर में डाल दिया था. बट आफ्टर सम टाइम ही रियलाइज्ड हिज मिस्टेक एंड केम टू सुमित्स हाउस. लेकिन उसे फिर समझ में आया कि मैंने सिर्फ 3 बार ही वो दूध उसके कंटेनर में डाला था सुमित के. और फिर उसको अपनी गलती समझ में आई और फिर वो झट से सुमित के हाउस में चला गया. ही गेव द रिमेनिंग अमाउंट ऑफ मिल्क टू सुमित. तो उसने क्या किया? जितना भी वो एक कंटेनर डालने का था वो उसको सुमित के कंटेनर में राघव ने डाल दिया. सो नाउ व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? हाउ मच मिल्क did राघव give to सुमित first time? फर्स्ट टाइम जब सुमित राघव के पास आया था दूध लेने के लिए, तो राघव ने कितना दूध सुमित को दिया था? तो उसने 1 लीटर दिया था. हाउ मच मिल्क डिड ही गिव सेकेंड टाइम? सेकेंड टाइम कितना ये किया था उसने? 250. अभी देखो फर्स्ट टाइम उन्होंने कितना दिया था? ये 250. उसके पास कितना था? 250 ml का एक छोटा सा कंटेनर था. तो 250 प्लस 250 प्लस 250, हाउ मच? 0 प्लस 0 0, 5 प्लस 5 10, 10 प्लस 5 15, कैरी 1, 2 प्लस 1 3, 3 प्लस 2 5, 5 प्लस 2 7. So how much milk did he give second time? 750 ml. Okay. Here which moral value did Raghav depict? तो यहाँ पे कौन सी मॉरल वैल्यू हमें सीखने को मिलती है? पंक्चुअलिटी. झट से उसने उसकी गलती सुधार ली और उसने सुमित के घर में जाकर दूध दे दिया. So you write down this answer 1 liter 750 ml punctuality in your textbook. There is space to write down these answers. Now see mental maths. See here, 1 liter equal to dash ml. 1 liter means how much milliliter? 1000. Now 2 liter equal to how many milliliter? 2000. Now see here, 1 liter equal to 10 dash milliliter. अभी हमको आंसर कितना चाहिए? 1000 चाहिए, है ना? तो हमें 1 लीटर इक्वल टू 10 डैश मिलीलीटर. 10 मल्टीप्लाई बाय हाउ मच? 100. सी सपोज 100 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10. 0 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0 0, 0 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0 0, 0 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 0. Now compulsory 0. 1 multiply by 0 0, 1 multiply by 0 0, 1 multiply by 1 1, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0 0. What is our answer? 1000. So what we have to write here? 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. Now see, 1 liter 500 milliliter. 1 liter means how much? 1000 and plus how much? 500. Simple addition. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 5 5. This one as it is. What is our answer? 1500 milliliter. Now see fifth example. 1 liter equal to 20 dash milliliter. Now we want answer 1000. Okay, 20 is given. So which number multiply by 20? Then our answer will come 1050. Now see, so we have to write here 50. See here, 50 multiply by 20. 0 multiply by 0 0, 0 multiply by 5 0. Compulsory 0. 2 multiply by 0 0, 2 5s are 10. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, this 0 as it is, this one as it is. What is the answer? 1000. So 20 multiplied by 50 equal to 1000 milliliter. 1000 milliliter means how many liter? 1 liter. That means our answer is correct. So you just only write down these numbers. This is for your understanding. So complete all these answers in your textbook.